Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you are experiencing a ghost touch problem on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If your phone is detecting random touches, the first thing you should try is to, of course, clean your screen to possibly remove debris or moisture from it. If this doesn't help, you could try checking if your phone has sensitivity settings that could be messing it up. You can check them usually in display and look around for different settings. You could try using the block accidental touches option, which should help it if you are experiencing your phone randomly starting up and clicking on things when it's in your pocket, your purse, in your bag. Otherwise, you might also want to, if the issue still persists, you could take off your screen protector and try cleaning under it to see if maybe somehow moisture got trapped under it, causing the ghost touch problem. If all of this fails, you could also try going in the settings, scrolling down to software update, and here checking for updates to see if maybe it's a bug. If all of this fails, you can of course try resetting your phone by doing this and tapping on restart. However, if the ghost touch problem is severe enough that you can't do it because it clicks off of it all the time, you could try force restarting it by pressing and holding the power and the volume down buttons for a little while until your screen turns off and you see the logo turn on. This will force your phone to restart and could help fixing the problem. However, if it doesn't, you could also try rebooting into safe mode, which I will show how to do in a little second. Now, of course, if the problem is severe enough that you can't restart it in the normal way because it taps off, you can also do the force restart method. Then once your screen goes off, instead of doing nothing, just tap and hold the volume down button. You want to keep holding it until the safe mode text appears on the bottom left part of your screen. Just keep holding it until then. Once it does appear, you can stop holding it. If the issue still persists, you might want to take your phone to a service station to get it looked at. Alternatively, you might have to go to a service station. If you want to exit safe mode, all you need to do is just restart your phone without holding the volume down button. So just restart your phone if you want to get out of safe mode. You could also use the force restart method as I've shown you. But yes, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.